I wanted to thank Jake Ryan at Resurrection LLC for taking my 65 GTO, which was a very nice car when he received it, and turned it into a great car. Jake just did outstanding work on it. His attention to detail is outstanding. This car has been entered in the 2022 GTOAA Nationals, being held in Kingsport, Tennessee. And there are many, many nice cars here. Just a quick pan shot. All these cars are Concours cars, though there are various classes of Concours. There's unrestored, restored, modified. Just some very nice cars. Judging's completed. It was completed yesterday, June 30th. The award ceremony will be tomorrow night, July 2nd, which at that time will determine and find out just how well the car scored. It's on a point system to 700 points is a perfect car, so it'll be interesting just to see how close my car gets to achieving that. But again, I want to thank Jake. You did a great job.